So when considering what to bring on a camping trip, that's a question that you want to ask yourself long before you're ready to go on this trip, because planning is everything, you guys. It's critically important that you begin the planning process. Give yourself time to shop. Write a list of all the things that you think you're going to need to be comfortable. If you're car camping, fill the car. Get nice and organized. Put all your stuff in Tupperwares. Put things in those roof boxes. You have plenty of room. If you're backpacking, you have to be a little bit more conservative. In my book, Outdoor Leadership, The Noble Gift, there's a whole chapter devoted to different gear lists, things that you should maybe consider on different types of trips, whether they would be canoe camping or car camping, backpacking, things like that. And the lists are fairly intensive. But one of the things that you want to consider is solid planning. Make reservations, get your car routes figured out, find out about the weather and places that you're going to be going. Have your vehicle checked out. Get everything loaded. And in terms of comfortable things, find some food that you're comfortable with, okay, that's easy to prepare. If you're going to be cooking it on a backpacking stove, you want to be familiar with how it's prepared, how long it's going to take, how much fuel it's going to consume to cook that food. And make sure that it's pleasant. Camping, one of the greatest things about camping is some of the meals that you can concoct, whether it's over an open fire or on your backpacking stove. Obviously, you're going to need some pots and some pans. The types of pans are going to vary greatly based on the size of your group and, again, the type of cooking that you're doing. Stuff does happen, so always have a first aid kit with you. And again, oftentimes when you're backpacking, help could be quite a far way away. When you're car camping, it's a cell phone calls away. But again, you want to be prepared for any eventuality. And again, like they say in Australia, these are poo tickets. Okay? In case you're not cool on Australian slang, toilet paper. Don't leave home without it. The little details, the toothbrushes, the razors, the toilet paper, the toiletries, they keep you comfortable, keep you clean. Don't forget them. It makes for happy campers. Flashlights so that you can read at bed, move around your campsite. This is a nice small little one. And of course your tools and some of the essential equipment that you're going to need. You're going to need your sleeping materials. Sometimes it's just bed linens. Sometimes it's going to be cots. Sometimes it's very expensive sleeping bags, depending again on the weather and the type of camping that you're doing. Weight usually is not a factor when you're car camping. But that's certainly a concern if you're backpacking. So what I suggest that you do is go online, check out many of the websites, or even check out my book in terms of where you can go to get great gear lists for camping. Thanks very much.